This is the pH concentration interactive calculator, which converts between pH values and hydrogen ion concentrations for solution chemistry calculations. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. pH to H+ concentration, H+ concentration to pH, calculate pOH and OH-, buffer dilution calculator, water ion product KW, and complete solution analysis. For this demo, I'm using pH to H+ concentration. The concentration unit dropdown offers mol-L, mmol-L, mmol-L, and nmol-L. I've selected mol-L. We then have 5 input fields: pH value, H+ concentration, temperature in Celsius, solution volume in liters, and dilution factor. For our example, I'll enter pH value equals 10, H+ concentration equals 10, temperature equals 25 degrees Celsius, solution volume equals 10 liters, and dilution factor equals 10. After clicking Calculate, we get these results. pH is 10.0. H+ concentration is 1000 times 10 to the negative 10th molar. pOH is 4.00. OH- concentration is 1000 times 10 to the negative 4th molar, and the solution type is basic. These values confirm our solution has low hydrogen ion concentration and high hydroxide concentration, typical of a basic solution at pH 10. This calculator streamlines pH and concentration conversions for your laboratory work. Find the link in the description below.